Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share this fun Brusho masking technique with you. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. Now brushes can be kind of messy, so you do want to protect your surface. I'm using a piece of watercolor paper here and my low stick masking tape or painter's tape, and I'm using my grid paper so that I can find the halfway point here and line up my painter's tape along those grid lines. Grid paper is perfect for this kind of thing, and it makes things quick and easy. I'm going to be using my yellow Brusho Crystal Color today, and I'm going to use my Stampin' Spritzer that I filled with water. Okay, now this tape is going to mask the part of the cardstock or the watercolor paper that we don't want wet, but I also want to do my directional spray in the direction that I want it so it doesn't hit this right side. And then I'm going to take my Brusho and I am simply going to shake some of it along the line here and watch it spread. It's that quick and easy. That's all I do. And then I'm going to set this aside and allow it to dry. I could spritz some more if I wanted to make it softer, but I want a fairly sharp edge along this tape line, so I want those crystals right along there to be nice and strong. So let me set this aside and I'll show you the original again. Okay, now that I've allowed my watercolor paper to dry a little bit, I'm ready to pull off my tape here to reveal that sharp edge that we created by masking. And I'm doing this carefully so it will not tear the cardstock. And at this time I'm ready to use it. Once it's completely dry, I can cut it down and use it on my card front. So let me show you the original project again. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.